Let me give you 3 reasons why you should consider this house in Silang, Cavite, just 5 minutes away from New Valley. Number 1, beginning with location. This house is located in Richland Hills 3 here in Silang, Cavite, just 5 minutes away from the currently being constructed SM Yulo and 5 minutes away from Qualimed and New Valley. And hindi lang po yun, napakalapit din po niya sa Santa Rosa exit in Calax. Kaya po perfect na perfect po to sa mga gusto ng very accessible property kasi malapit din po siya. Less than 30 minutes away, nasa Tagaytay ka na. Kaya napakaganda po ng location nito. Number 2 is the environment. As you can see, yung buhok ko po nililipad-lipad pa. And yung mga windows, yung mga pinto ng mga bahay na to, habang sinushoot namin siya, nililipad siya at hinahangin. If you would like to live in a beautiful, serene environment, well, this might be the property for you kasi sobrang hangin, sobrang gaganda ng views of the Laguna de Bay and Mount Makiling and even parts of the Laguna Plains. And hindi lang yun, sobrang tahimik dito. Lastly, number 3, affordability. If you bring this house inside New Valley or near New Valley, this will probably be 50% higher than the current listed price for this property. Kaya po, ano pang hinihintay nyo? Schedule a site visit with us. Our contact information is posted on the screen and nandyan rin po yan sa description and comment section.